Thank you so much, all of you, for joining. I welcome you all to Faujis Academy and Vizhi. Okay, so we are studying HCF and LCM, and we were doing some practice questions yesterday. We did not do this question, so we'll do it again. Okay, the first condition, they say that HCF of A and B is equal to HCF of A plus B comma B. Okay, so what they have given over here, they are basically asking, is it HCF of, let us say, two numbers A comma B, is it equal to HCF of A plus B comma B? Right? It's not some function. It's not some anything, any random. Okay. Any relation, any function and things like that. You know, f of x, sometimes we write f of x of A and B and things and like that. Okay, it's not like that. They're just simply asking HCF of A and B, where A and B are what? Your integers, right? Consider the following in respect of integers A and B, right? So can we assume couple of integers? Let's say we assume some integers like 12 and 34. What is the HCF of 12 and 34? What is the highest number that can divide both of them completely? Is it 2?
Yes, sir. True.
Right. So HCF of 12 and 34 is nothing but your 2, right? Now HCF of A plus B. A plus B means what? 46, 34. What is the HCF over here, guys?
Again, two.
It's again 2, right? Now let's take another instances. HCF of, let's say, take two different numbers, 7 and 21. Okay. HCF of A and B. A plus B is your 28 and 21. Okay. Over here also HCF is 7. Over here also HCF is 7. Right. So that means our first condition is correct. Right. First condition is correct, right, guys? Now let's move on to HCF of A comma B, which is equal to, let me erase it. First one is correct. Okay. HCF of A comma B is equal to HCF of A comma B minus A for B is greater than A, right? B is greater than A. Let's take two numbers. Tell me what number I should take. Give me some two random numbers here. Let's say I took 58 and what number I should take?
23.
No. Right. I mean, B has to be greater than A. B has to be greater than A, right? Your A is 58 and B is your 93, right? So what is the HCF of 58 and 93? 1 time 58. This is the division method of finding the HCF. 8, 5, 3, 35, 58. 1 time 35, 3, 2. 1 time 35, 23. 12, 23. 1 time 12, 9. 12 1 time 9, 3. How come 3? Over here it is 11. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Okay, right. Then 2 remaining. 9 came into the picture. Okay, let's write it here. 2 remaining. Then 9 came into the picture. 4 times 8, 1. Okay. What is the HCF, guys? What is the HCF? 1. And now, what is the HCF of A comma? That means A comma B minus A. 93 minus 58. How much is that? 33, 35, 58 and 35. What is the HCF of 35 and 58? 1 time 35, 3, 2, 1, 35. It's going to be 1 only, right? You see, from here, it will all repeat the same. Will it not repeat the same? So over here also your HCF will be 1. Okay. You will take one more number. You will take one more number and you will do it like this. Okay, you will try to verify it. The only learning that I wanted to have you over here is that do not get frightened when we have variables. Do not get frightened when we have statements. Calm down, calm your nerves. Read the question first. Try to understand the question, what they are saying in the question. Try to understand that first, right? So statement 2 is also correct over here. So what is the correct answer, guys? Both 1 and 2, right? Shall we move to the next question, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, rest all others. Shall we move to the next question? Cool. What do you think about this question? For two natural numbers m and n, two natural numbers m and n. Okay. What are natural numbers, guys? What are the
Sir,
natural?
from 1 to
Yes. From 1 to infinity, these are your natural numbers. Two natural numbers m and m, let g of m and m denote the greatest common factor of m and m. Consider the following in respect of three natural numbers k, m and n. Okay. Which of the statement is or are correct? Okay. That means writing g of m and n, that means it is nothing but HCF. Greatest common factor. Okay. Greatest common factor. Okay. Or greatest common divisor or highest common factor. It's all the same. Right? Sorry, guys. So m and n, k, there is another number. Tell me what number I should take. Let's take 3. Let's take 9. Let's take what number I should take. Let's take 7. Okay, right. So the first one is that g of m n into k, right, which is equal to g of m and k, right, guys. So that means HCF of, that means g of m and k is how much? 63. G of mn 27 into k. Basically g of m is nothing but your 363, which is equal to g of 27 and 7. Right, guys? G of mn denote the greatest common factor of m and m. Have I done any calculation mistake or something like that anywhere? nk means what? Simply just multiply this number, 9 into 7, 63. mn means 27. Okay, so what is, one second guys. Yeah, so what is the HCF over here? HCF over here is 3, right? And the HCF over here is what? 1. Right. That means what? Statement 1 is not correct, right? Now we will try to find out for statement 2, right? Statement 2 says g of m and g of nk is equal to g of m k, right? What number did we take? 397. Okay, m and k, these were the numbers we took, right? So g of mn means what? HCF of 3 and 9, which is basically 3, into g of nk. G of nk means HCF of 9 and 7, which is nothing but basically 1, and g of mk basically your, what is the HCF of 3 and 7?
1, sir.
So over here HCF is 3 and over here HCF is 1, which are not equal. So we'll conclude that your statement number 2 is also incorrect. So the answer to this question is D, neither 1 nor 2. Right, guys? Any one of you who did not get it, it's nothing but whenever they have been saying let g of mn denote the greatest common factor. Okay, so g of m into nk. Okay, so we just solved this one to find that number m and, okay, nk is 63. So g of mn, we are not multiplying it over here, we are finding the, this means this means nothing but g of 3 comma 23. I mean HCF of 3 comma 63. Right, guys? Is it clear? We'll drill down to up till question number 1 today, okay? Just hold on. Shall we move? Shall we move, guys?
Yes, sir.
Shall we move? Yes, other than Abhikaran. Divakar, Mateshwaran, Moilan, Sriram. Are you guys getting it?
Yes.
Cool. If you are not getting it, ask me. Because they will ask these questions in your CDS examination. Yeah, look at this question. A person has 4 iron bars whose lengths are 24, 36, 48 and 72 meters respectively. This person wants to cut pieces of same length from each of the 4 bars. What is the least number of total pieces if he is to cut without any wastage? Let us say it is like this. Okay. What they are saying is that what is the least number of pieces? Least number of pieces means what? The size of, yeah, the size of the bars will be maximum, right? I mean, if you, let us say there's 24 meters, if you have to cut, let's say only 1 meter, let's say this is 24. 24 pieces from here, 36 from here, 48 from here, 72 here. Okay. They want to have minimum number of pieces. That means the size of each of the bars has to be maximum. Yes or no? Think about it and tell me. I mean, let us say if I cut this let's say 24, if I cut this into 4 parts, it's 6, 6, 6, 6, that's it. Okay. How many pieces? Only 4. But over here, if I cut it in 24 parts, how many pieces? 24 parts, 24 pieces, let's say for 1 each, for 1 unit each. Right? That means to get the least number of pieces, we should have the size of each of the bars at its maximum, right? Maximum. Any one of you who did not get it, tell me right now. I will tell you. Tell me, guys. Tell me, are you getting it? Are you getting it? Okay. Hi. Hi, Ilakya Lakshmi. How are you, buddy? Welcome. Good morning. Good evening. Good afternoon. Okay. Okay. I'll not ask for any intro, buddy. No problem. Stay back. Yeah. So that means we want to have the maximum size of the bar. And how do we get maximum? Whenever we talk maximum, this is the gist. Maximum is what do? We find HCF, right? Now, what is the HCF of this? Tell me. What is the HCF of these 4 numbers, guys? Just look at this number. It's a very beautiful numbers, 24, 36, 48, 72. What is that number which divides all these 4 numbers completely? And what is that maximum number? Quick, nobody will answer other than
12.
yes, Lakshmi. It's 12. That's correct. Okay. But yeah, please switch on the mic and speak. Okay. Please switch on the mic and speak. That's my humble request from you. Because I won't be able to switch through a lot of this and that. There's a lot of, clicks involved over here. And I lose the track while teaching. That's the problem. So those of you, 24, it is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, ... Let's say some number, it's 12 and 24, right? 36. Is it divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, 36, right? 48, again, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Somewhere comes 12, somewhere comes 24, somewhere comes 48, right? 72, similarly, some number, then comes 12, then up till 72, right? So the maximum number which divides all these 4 is 12, right? Now tell me, from bar A, the size is 24. We are cutting it for the size of 12 units. How many pieces we will have? Abhikaran will not answer. How many pieces will we have? Switch on your mic and speak. Nobody will answer in the chat. If you are not able to speak over here, guys, look, no annotation, please. Okay. Until otherwise, I tell you to do. Okay. Because you cannot annotate. You don't have a pen tab. That's the problem. You cannot work out with your mouse and How many pieces will we have for A from iron bar A? Tell guys fast. Guys, behave like dumb. Seriously. I mean, other than Abhikaran, every one of you are dumb, right? Okay. Look, it's 24. Okay. Then we'll divide it by 12. What number do we get? We get 2. Okay. Then we have bar B. Bar B is of 36 length. Right? When we divide it by 12, how many we'll get? 3. Bar C, the length is 48. Divided by 12, what number we get? 4. Bar D, 72 divided by 12. What number we will get? Madheshwaran, what number we will get? What number we will get?
7.
Yes, that's correct. That's correct. Lakshmi, you are writing maths paper also. I just wanted to study. Anyways, thank you so much for joining the class. Okay. So now you add these numbers because these many pieces we will have. What you are going to add? 2, 3, 4, and 6. Other than Avikaran and Lakshmi, I want an answer. What is the value? Guys, be quick. If you don't answer this, I will think that you don't even know addition. Then I'll wonder how did you pass your 5th, 6th standard. Leave AFCAT and cdse examination. What do we get, guys? Yeah, 15, say it like that. Say it loud and clear. 15, sir. Like this. Okay. So the answer to this question, guys, is 15. Right? Shall we move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is your next question. Yes. Think about it. 21 mango trees, 42 apple trees, and 56 orange trees have to be planted in rows such that each row contains the same number of trees of one variety only. What is the minimum number of rows in which the above trees may be planted? I've always been telling you, wherever you find minimum, you will find LCM. Answer me. Does this hold true for this question as well? Does this hold true for this question as well, guys? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Sir, what is after that whole?
Sorry, Abhikaran. Okay. 21 mango trees. Let us say you have like 5 chili trees. Yeah.
This
Whenever I say minimum is equal to LCM, I've been teaching you guys, right? Remember that. I've been telling you wherever you find a minimum, you have to find LCM. I'm asking, does this thing that I've been taught, that I've been teaching you, does this hold true for this question as well? Over here, they're asking now, what is the minimum number of rows in which the above trees may be planted? So what, should we find LCM or HCF?
HCF, sir.
Yes. So does this hold true for this question? The answer is no. Okay. So basically you have like, let us say 5 chili trees. Okay. Let us say you have 10 mango trees, and let us say you have like 15, let's say guava trees. Okay. So they are asking you have to plant it in such a way that in each row, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 5. 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one will be a chili tree. This one will be a mango trees. This one will be a guava trees. These trees have to be planted in rows such that each row contains each of these rows contains the same number of trees of one variety only. Is it one variety only? Only chili, only mango, only guava? Yes or no, guys? So what did we do? We found HCF of this number, right? So now you find the HCF of 21, 42 and 56 and tell me what is that? Other than Abhika and Lakshmi. What is the HCF of 21, 42, 56? Yes, Mateshwaran, are you there? Are there, buddy?
Also,
Yes, that's correct. Yes, Mateshwaran, Muilan, Shriram, if you guys are still here. What do you think is the HCF of 21, 42 and 56? Think of some numbers. What is that number which divides 7? Sorry, which divides 21? What is that number? It's 1, 7 and 21. These are the three numbers, right? 7 will also divide 42. 7 will also divide 56. Right? 21 also divides 21. 42 is also gets divided by 21, but 56 is not doesn't get divided by 21, right? So the HCF over here, guys, gentlemen and lady, is 7, right? Meaning what? Meaning in each of the rows, you will have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trees. In each of the rows, you will have 7 trees. What question have they asked? What is the minimum number of rows in which the above trees may be planted? So how many trees do you have in total? And what number will you divide it with to find the number of rows? By 7? Tell me, what is this number? Tell me, guys, what's this number?
17, sir.
Yes, that's correct. Other than you, other than Abhikar, anybody? Like, do you guys really do not know how to find this? Say yes or no. If you do not know how to find this, then it's a big deal. It's a big problem, buddy. Okay. Diwakar, till now you have not rectified your mic issue, right? Muilan, what is this number? Wake up. Only studying history won't help you clear CDS examination. You need to know mathematics as well. What is this number? Cool. I got it. I'll assume that you are understanding. Thank you so much, guys. Let's move on to the next question. In that case, question number 20. I want an answer from your side. Okay. Yeah. Think about this question for 1 minute and get me the answer. Think about it, guys. Yes, guys. Any breakthrough? Moment. Any breakthrough, guys? Easy one. Not so tough one, definitely. 4 bells begin to toll together and toll respectively at intervals of 5, 6, 8, 12. How many times will they toll together in an hour, excluding the one at the start? How many times, guys? The question is, how many times will they toll together in an hour? Okay. At t is equal to, starting. At the starting point, all these 4 will toll together, right? The first one will get toll after 5 seconds, then another 5 seconds, then another 5 seconds, right? Then another 5 seconds, and sometimes it will just go on like this. Okay, this will toll 6 seconds, then another 6 seconds, then another 6 seconds, then another 6 seconds, then another 6 seconds. And this one will toll like 8 seconds, then another 8 seconds, then another 8 seconds, then another 8 seconds, and likewise. Okay. This one will toll 12 seconds, then at 12 seconds, and something like that. Okay. At what exact time they will toll together? To find that, we find basically the LCM of the given number. Okay. LCM means lowest common multiplication, right? So what is the LCM of 5, 6, 8, and 12, guys? Let's find it out by using division method. 2, 5, 3, 4, 6. 2, 5, 3, 2, 3, 5, 1. What is the LCM, guys? If you do not know how to find LCM, this is how we find the LCM. What is the number? Tell me. Open for all. Tell me. What is this number? Tell me, guys. Quick. Come on, guys. Don't behave like Dumbo over here.
Sir, 120.
5 into 3, 15. 30, 61. Right?
Sir.
So, 120 seconds. After 120 seconds, they will ring, they will toll together again. Right? That means after every 2 minutes, first was at 0, then 120 seconds is nothing but 2 minutes. Okay. Then the first at 2 minutes, then another at 4 minutes, then another at 6th minute, and something like that. Okay. So 8th minute, 10th minute, right? Okay. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So if they ring at every 2 minutes, 120, one moment, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12 seconds, 120 is the LCM, that's also correct, excluding the one at start. Okay.
Sir, I'm getting 29 and I'm wrong.
Yeah, that's correct. And the answer is not 29, it's 30. Okay. Including the one at the initial stage, if you do that, like, you know, in 10 minutes, it is ringing for how many times? It's tolling together for how many times? 3, 4, and 5 times? 5 times, no. So in 60 minutes, how many times will they ring together? 30 times?
30.
We are still not accounting for this one. If we account for this one also, it will become 31 times. Okay. But the question that they have asked over here is that excluding the one at start, so the answer over here will be A, 30 instead of 10. Right, boys? And Lakshmi, is it clear, guys? Tell me yes or no. Yes or no, guys. Yes or no? Lakshmi, is it clear to you? Divakar, Mateshwaran, Muilan, is it clear? If it is not clear, then there is no point for you saying yes, sir, yes, sir. You won't be able to do it in the examination. Come on. Okay. And mathematics won't come unless you sit and practice it. You got to spend time with mathematics, guys. Yes, question number 19. Find the side of the largest possible square slab. Largest possible square slab which can be paved on the floor of a room. There's a floor of a room which is 2 meter 50 centimeter long and 1 meter 50 centimeter broad. Also find the number of such slabs to pave the floor. Right. So length is how much? Can we write it in terms of centimeter, 250 centimeter? Breadth is how much? 150 centimeter. Largest square tiles. Okay. To find the largest square tile over here, what do we do? Tell me, guys. What do we do? The largest square tile.
For the largest square, the area is.
Yes. That's also correct. Okay, that's also correct. One thing did you notice? If you notice the question itself, okay, specifically the answers if you notice, okay. Find the side of the largest possible square slab, okay. Which means, let's say if this is tile, so we'll be fixing these tiles like this, I mean throughout, and they have also asked us to find the number of tiles as well, right, guys? I mean, it's for the whole, it's everywhere, right? So the area of the floor should be equal to the area of the tile. It's a square tile. Okay, square slab. So let's say option A. Okay. If we divide by this, we should get the number of tiles. Should we get or not? Number of tiles. Should we get or not? B is how much? 250 into 150 divided by 30 into 30. C 250 into 150. 50 into 50. And D 250 into 150. Nothing but 55 into 55. Why we are writing 55 into 55, 25 into 25, 30 into 30? Because it's a square type, square slab. They have given over here, no, square slab. Which means their length and breadth will be same. Now, if you do that, this will go 10 times. This will go like 6 times. So we need to have how many? 60 tiles, right? 5 times 0, 0. Is B possible? Is B possible? No. B is not possible because these numbers are not getting completely divisible. It is not completely divisible. That's why B is also not possible, guys. Okay. 3 times, 5 times. What is the number, guys? Tiles? 15. Do we have this number of tiles over here? 15?
Sir,
Do we have? Yes or no? So what is the correct answer other than Abhikaran? Lakshmi, what's the correct answer? What's the correct answer, guys? Quick, come on in. And you guys sleeping or what? Yeah, I mean, it's as good as not joining at all. Right? Don't join. Yeah, come on. If you don't have to speak, then why are you even joining? Come on. Tell me, what's the answer over here? Which option is the correct answer? Do we need to even check D? Do we need to? No, because we already got it. Which one is the correct one, guys? Which one is the correct one? Mateshwan, are you there? Moilan, are you there? Yes, then why are you not speaking? What happened?
Voice is breaking.
Sorry, network is slow. When do you think you will solve this problem, buddy? One of your examinations are already over and you know your results there. Come on. Fix all these small issues, guys. Come on. On D-Day, nobody will give you a fucking shit and nobody will care about you saying that you did not have good internet connection. You did not study from here, there, these, that, these, those. You took some course or not. You studied from Vizhi or Faujis Academy and whatnot shit. Nobody gives a damn shit. The only question is, are you to the right hand side of the cutoff? Yes? Then okay, fine. Come on in, we'll interview you. If no, get lost. Do not even come and stand at the door, right? So if you are joining over here, join with all your heart, mind, and soul. If you cannot, then don't join. I'll teach only one, guys. If nobody is here, I'll create videos. That's a much better thing for me to do. My YouTube channel will grow like hell then. From third person point of view, nobody likes these classes like this, okay? Not in the form of video, right? So the answer to this question is C 15, 50 is the dimension of the tile, that is 50 centimeters square basically, and 15 slabs or tiles you want to say, right? We'll do this question once more. Since we are studying HCF LCM, this is your 250 centimeter, this is your 150 centimeter. Just find the HCF. HCF of 150 and 250. What is that?
yeah,
If you don't know how to find LCM, HCF, then guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry to break this to you, right? Sometimes you guys even make me feel that you guys do not know how to do addition, subtraction, and multiplication. You're writing UPSC examination, like seriously, come on. I know you guys are not that way. You guys just don't know. I'm just fed up with you guys, yeah. I mean, writing in chat, you have this problem, that problem. One of your examinations are over, and you guys have fucked up very badly. No, very badly. You guys have fucked up. You'll fuck up over here also. You won't have more than 3-4 results. Even that I'm saying that's a big number, right? So 50 is your HCF over here. Okay. So 50 is your HCF. This 50 is basically the dimension of the slab. Oh guys, by this also you'll come to know that only C is your correct answer. Okay. But to find the number of tiles, again we'll do this thing all over again. 50 into 50. That's it. You'll get the 15 as your answer. Shall we move to the next question, guys? You won't say anything, so I'll have to move. So let me move. Yes, solve this. Solve this, guys. I'm coming in one moment. Yes, guys. What do you think about this question? Raj, Rachit, Asha begin to tag around a circular stadium. They complete their revolutions in 42 seconds, 56 seconds, and 63 seconds, respective. After how many points, after how many seconds will they be together at the starting point? Yes, guys. Yeah, that's correct. So what we basically need to find over here, Raj, Rachit, Asha. 42, 56, and 63. Okay. Raj completes this in 42 seconds. Okay. Rachit completes this in 56 seconds and Asha completes this in 63 seconds. Okay. Let us say if this was a straight line rather than a circular line. Okay. So Raj is like 42 seconds, one round over, another 42 seconds, another round over, another 42 seconds, another round over, another 42 seconds, another round over. Right, guys? And for Rachit, it's like he's taking like 56 seconds to complete one round, then 56 seconds, another round, then 56 seconds to complete another round, then again 56 seconds to complete another round, and so on. Right? And similarly, Asha is like 63 seconds, 63 seconds, 63 seconds, and 63 seconds. Right? So at what particular time will they be meeting together? And to find out that, what do? We are studying LCM and HCF chapter. Only these two possibilities are there. What will we do? LCM or HCF? I want this answer from other than Abhikar. Yes, other than him. Lakshmi, what do you think about it? Even though you are not writing mathematics paper, all others are, I don't know what's the problem with them. Okay. Since you are, even though not writing the paper, you are here, you want to learn. I'm so glad that you want to learn. So I'll definitely teach you. So what do you think? To find out at what particular time these three chaps will meet again, what will we find? HCF or LCM? I mean, LCM or HCF. Both are same basically. Not essentially HCF and LCM are same. I just interchanged and said. What will we find, guys? We will find LCM. And what is the LCM of 42, 56, and 63? What is the LCM of 42, 56, and 63? Mateshwaran, I want this answer from you. What is the LCM of 42, 56, and 63? Mateshwaran, are you there or sleeping? Find the LCM of 42, 56, and 63 and tell me what is the value. Yeah, you can take help from your friend Muhilan. How much? Yeah, do it and tell me. Yes, Mateshwaran, by this time Rajdhani Express must have left Chennai, right? And you are still waiting on the railway station. The train is gone. Your train is slower. You will have to pick up a passenger train now. And you know the crowd. I'm happy. You take your time. I'll do some, some personal stuff by this time. I'll go and do the dishes and come. Right? Fetch water and come, go for toilet for 2-3 times. Yes, apply Mentho Plus over my forehead. I am enjoying this class. Tell me, what is the answer? You can take help from your friend Moilan. Moilan, both of you team up and tell me what is the LCM of these numbers. The whole chapter is coming up to a close and you guys are not even getting it. Come on.
I'm calculating, sir.
Yes, please do. You can Google it. One of your friend has already given the answer. You can use the calculator also. No worries. Thank you so much for giving me time to scroll Instagram. By the time you guys solve the question, I'll scroll down. It's not my questions. Yeah. Why are you using chat? Come on. Yeah. Speak. Open your mouth and speak. Lakshmi, open your mouth and speak.
Sir, 154.
154. How come 154 is the LCM? How did you find this? Okay. Yes, 504. That's correct. Now you woke up. Thank you so much for waking up. Yes, Lakshmi, look. This is how we find LCM. 42, 56, 63. This is called division method. Okay, division method. You have to look for numbers like 2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay. So we need to ensure that at least two numbers are getting divisible by these numbers. So what number we'll start with? Let's start with 2. Can we start with 3? Yes, we can start with 3 as well. So we divide it by 2, 21, 56, 28. Can we divide 63 by 2? I mean, essentially, yes, we can write 31.5, but we cannot write via 31.5. No, this is not the way. Okay. So what we'll be doing is that we'll be writing 63, right? Can we again divide it by 2? Can we again divide it by 2? At least two numbers are divisible by 2? No. 3. Yeah. 7, 28, is it divisible? No. 63, 21. Now what number will we choose? 7, 1, 4, and 3. Some people stop over here because it is no longer divisible. No, not two of the numbers are not divisible, but some people also go to do it like this. Okay. Meaning are same. Even if you stop here, we basically take these numbers. Now if you stop like this, we will take these numbers. The only extra numbers are 4 and 3. That's it. So we'll multiply 2, 3, 7, and 3 and 4. What value we get? What do we get, guys? 2 into 3 into 7 into 3 into 4. You do the calculation, guys. Your soap is so slow. Huh? You know that ad during Corona. So 504 is the answer over here, guys. Okay. We'll move. Lakshmi, did you get it? How do we find LCM using division method? Let's move. I don't know. Like Sri Ram left. There was another friend of ours. He also left. Do I make it boring? I don't think so. Yes, for any three natural number A, B, C, if HCF of A, comma B is equal to C, then let's take some numbers. Right? Let's take some random numbers. HCF of A, comma B is equal to C. Then HCF of A by C, comma B by C, they have asked is what? Right? Let us say we want to find out the HCF of 14 and 28. Let's say 14 and 21 for some reason. Okay. The HCF is 7. What is A? 14. What is B? 21. What is C? 7. Right? Then HCF of A means 40. C means 7. B is 21. That means HCF of 2, 3. How much is that? 1? Is it 1? Option A is A by C. A by C is how much? 14 by 7, that is 2. Option 2 is B by C. B by C is how much? 21 by 7, that is 3. Option C is C itself, which is nothing but 7. So no, 2 is not your answer, 3 is not your answer, 7 is also not your answer. What is the correct answer over here, guys? Option D, always 1. Right, guys? Shall we move to the next question? Yeah, tell me. It's nothing. Don't get frightened by all this. For any integer, what is the HCF of integer? M is equal to 2n plus 1 and k is equal to 9n plus. They just give you like this. They just complicate it so that, it frightens you, so that you run away. Don't run away. M is equal to 2n plus 1. K is equal to 9n plus 1. Right? For any integer, n is how? N is how? Integer. Is 2 an integer? Yes. 2 is an integer, guys. Right? 2 is an integer. Right? So that means m is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1. K is equal to 9 into 2 plus 4. How much is that? 5. How much is this? 22. What is the HCF? What is the HCF, guys? 1. Right? Let's take another number. Is 3 an integer? Yes. 3 is an integer. Yes. So what will this value, how will this value become? M is equal to 2n. That means 6 plus 1, 7. And n is equal to how much? 31. Right? So M and N. What is the HCF? What is the HCF of 7 and 31, guys? Tell me, what is that? What is that, guys? Quick, guys, quick, come on. It's 1, right? It's 1.
Yes.
It's 1, yeah. Take some more numbers. Take n is equal to 5. If you take n is equal to 5, your m will become how much? 11. And this will become how much? 49. And what is the 11 and 49?
1.
It's 1. So which option answer is correct? Option K. Yes, we have done this type of question. What is the sum of the digits? They are not asking the number. They are asking the sum of the digits of the least number. Least means what? Minimum. Right? Which when divided by 52 leaves 33 as the remainder, which when divided by 78 leaves 59 as the remainder, which when divided by 117 leaves 98 as the remainder. Now, how will you proceed? How will you proceed? These are the remainders that needs to be there. These are the numbers with which the division has to take place. So what do? We find LCM of 52, 78 and 117 and reduce 19 out of it. So what is the LCM of 52, 78 and 117? 52. So what is the LCM? 3 into 2, 6. 6, 6, 36. 36 into 13 is how much? How much is that? 36 into 13 is how much, guys? It's 468. Minus 19, how much is this? Had it been 20, 448, that means 449. This is that number. This is that particular number that we were supposed to find. But the question over here is the sum of the digits. Now, the sum of the digits. How much is this, guys? How much is this? Boys, quick, yeah. This is just an addition. What is 9 plus 8? Yeah, 17. Yeah, absolutely, 17. So 17 is your correct answer, and answer option number A is your correct answer. Right? We shall move to the next question, guys. Easy one. Without picking your pen and paper, tell me what is the answer. Okay, if you want to pick up the pen and paper, you can. Sorry?
I can able to hear last. What is it?
Yeah, I mean, with or without picking up your pen and paper, I want you to find out the answer to this question. Is it clear now, Vikram?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Just look at the operations, and what I mean by operation is the symbols that we are there.
Sir, option C.
Absolutely absent option, and none other answer option is possible. If the number is exactly divisible by 11 and 13, that means it has to be divisible by 11 into 13, basically. What is 11 into 13, guys? 143, right? And let's just do the keep on multiplication of it. 143 into 3, 143 into 4, and so on and on and on. Right, guys? So what do we observe? Which of the following types of numbers the number must be? So this number has to be divisible by what? By what form of this number is? What form this number is, guys? 11 into 13, right? Right? No. Which answer option is correct? Which answer option is correct, guys? It's C. Okay? Okay, fine, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Since you guys don't speak, and even I don't feel like speaking. Thank you so much for joining. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye-bye. Good night.